What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. We're going to be taking a look at a new Kershaw knife today. It's called the Outright. It's a new release for 2018, just came in, and just a hideous blue color. We have had some other blue knives that honestly have sold very, very well, surprisingly. So I don't get it, but we'll go ahead and get into this knife. It's all stainless steel through here. You do have a small scale of black G10 here. Kind of helps with that grip, because that stainless is pretty slick if your hands were wet. You've got some jimping on the top here, some jimping on your frame lock here as well, so it's pretty easy to open and close. It does have a nice frame lock there as well, and then a pocket clip. It is deep carry pocket clip, tip down carry for right hand only. Cannot move that clip anywhere else on the knife. You do have a flipper here and a thumb stud. Flipper really works the best. It comes out really, really nice, flies open, has just over a 7-inch overall length with a upswept blade here, 3 inches long, made out of 8 CR13 MOV, top swedge as well, cut into there. Weighs about 4 ounces, so a little bit heavier, but it is all stainless. So the close length, I'm not sure if I mentioned that, about 4.5 inches. So pretty wild knife from Kershaw. Sells for about 20 bucks and is available on our site. We'll drop a link in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.